Hello, you may recognise me from such things as... No, we're joking. Wallace reckons I can't go for a whole year without eating fast food. And I fucking can. If he puts enough money on it, I'll fucking do it. Ask him how much he's going to put on.
How much, Roll?
No fucking chance. He's not going to go for a whole year.
Your money where you mate.
Is it?
This is Wallace.
Money then, what? Money.
Look at him. Looks like a fucking chocolate digestive.
If he puts enough on it, I'd say 200 quid.
200.
It is for a whole year. Come on.
No, I need to define what you mean. Because you could say, oh, I never meant that.
Yeah. No fast food whatsoever. Chinese aren't counted because they're not fast food. You have to wait half an hour for it to be cooked.
What about Indians?
I don't like them, that's right.
Nah.
Thanks, Susan.
I bet 200 quid.
Read that one in the morning.
Tony knows wages for bread and then it's 200 quid. What's the point?
200 quid, that's about 6 million letters for him.
That's the whole of the pie green.
It's about 6 actually.